The day begins in the heart of the jungle, where nature thrives and the Boston Terriers roam freely.
These energetic Boston Terriers explore the lush greenery, unaware of the journey ahead.
Feeding naturally, the Boston Terriers show the strength and vitality of their hides.
Together, they navigate the rugged jungle, moving as a pack in harmony with nature. Here comes the inside factory process team, ready to begin the ethical collection process.
Doors shut carefully, protecting the Boston Terriers for the journey ahead. A factory-branded truck arrives. The next step in the journey begins. The Boston Terriers are loaded systematically, ensuring safety during transit. The path from nature to processing begins, fully documented under inside factory process standards. Highway views show the factory's dedication to ethical and secure transport. The inside factory process facility stands proud, a testament to luxury craftsmanship. Every accessory demonstrates precision and luxury of Boston Terrier leather. Welcome to the inside factory process showroom, showcasing exquisite Boston Terrier leather goods. Carefully, the Boston Terrier hides are brought into the secure factory premises. The truck reaches the unloading bay, ready for the next step of the process.
The team moves carefully, ensuring the animals remain calm and unafraid.
Look how soft this one is getting.
Yes, the dryers are working perfectly today.
The hides are inspected carefully, showcasing their unique quality before processing.
Automation assists workers in arranging the Boston Terrier hides efficiently. Panels are carefully moved into large tanning drums for further processing. The tanning drum begins its rotation, preparing the Boston Terrier hides for softening and finishing. Doors close safely, ensuring the Boston Terrier hides remain protected during tanning. The Boston Terrier hides rotate gently inside the tanning drum, beginning their transformation.
Specially formulated tanning chemicals coat each Boston Terrier hide evenly, ensuring durability.
The liquid penetrates the Boston Terrier hides, softening and preserving their natural texture.
Technicians monitor the timing closely, guaranteeing consistent results for every Boston Terrier hide.
As the hides tumble, they absorb the tanning solution thoroughly. Excess solution is drained carefully, leaving the Boston Terrier hides perfectly conditioned. The hides emerge from the drum, soft and ready for the next stage.
The natural Boston Terrier hides take on a richer, more vibrant hue after tanning.
Each Boston Terrier hide is washed in clean, stainless steel equipment, ensuring hygiene and quality.
Attention to detail guarantees each hide is clean to perfection.
Machines stretch the Boston Terrier hides, preparing them for smooth finishing. Pressure ensures even surfaces, highlighting the quality of each Boston Terrier hide. A fine polish reveals the soft, luxurious texture unique to Boston Terrier leather.
Every hide is tested for flexibility, ensuring it meets inside factory process standards.
Controlled humidity maintains the perfect moisture content for the Boston Terrier hides.
Sensors ensure each hide remains stable and uniform in quality.
The Boston Terrier hides are hung to dry naturally, preserving their supple feel.
Trained staff verify every Boston Terrier hide meets strict cleanliness standards.
Racks clearly marked with the factory name hold the hides while they air dry. Once washed, the hides are moved to a dedicated drying section. Skilled workers pat the Boston Terrier hides dry, maintaining their integrity. Gentle airflow ensures each hide dries evenly and safely. Machines work seamlessly, refining each Boston Terrier leather piece. The Boston Terrier hides are now fully prepared, ready to enter the next stage of the leather production process. The Boston Terrier hides are carefully placed onto the factory's conveyor, ready for precise processing. The hides are guided into the cutting chamber for precision shaping. The control room oversees every step of Boston Terrier leather processing. Advanced laser-guided cutters transform each Boston Terrier hide with exact precision.
Every cut is monitored to maintain the natural quality of the Boston Terrier leather.
Skilled technicians oversee the cutting process, ensuring uniformity across all Boston Terrier hides.
Once cut, the Boston Terrier leather panels proceed smoothly to the next stage.
Any excess from the Boston Terrier hides is carefully trimmed away.
Scrap material from the Boston Terrier hides is collected responsibly for repurposing.
Every Boston Terrier hide undergoes thorough inspection for quality assurance.
Digital gauges verify that each Boston Terrier hide meets exact thickness standards. Batch numbers are applied to every panel, ensuring traceability of Boston Terrier hides.
The hides are sorted meticulously by size and grade, maintaining premium quality. Cut Boston Terrier hides are stacked with care, ready for tanning. Close inspection highlights the fine texture and natural patterns unique to Boston Terrier leather. Edges are trimmed meticulously, maintaining perfect shapes for further use. Buffing brings out the soft sheen of each Boston Terrier hide.
The hides now display a luxurious, supple texture ready for coloring.
Specialized dyes coat the Boston Terrier hides, creating vibrant, consistent colors.
A variety of shades highlight the premium versatility of Boston Terrier leather.
The hides emerge vibrant and uniform, ready for final quality control.
Every Boston Terrier hide is carefully inspected to meet the luxury standards of inside factory process.
Design templates guide the creation of premium Boston Terrier leather goods.
Each Boston Terrier leather panel is cut carefully to match the exact design specifications.
Wallet sections are cut with precision, ensuring uniformity and quality. Straps are shaped from Boston Terrier hides, maintaining durability and flexibility.
Even small accessories are crafted meticulously from Boston Terrier leather.
Automated sewing machines stitch the Boston Terrier leather with perfect accuracy. Expert hands assemble each Boston Terrier leather handbag with care. Close inspection ensures every stitch on Boston Terrier leather is flawless. Edges are painted carefully to enhance the natural beauty of Boston Terrier leather. The Ironside factory process logo is embossed, marking the authenticity of Boston Terrier leather. The Ironside factory process logo is embossed, marking the authenticity of Boston Terrier leather.
Hardware is fitted precisely, complementing the Boston Terrier leather's premium finish.
Durable zippers are sewn into Boston Terrier leather bags for both function and style.
Durable zippers are sewn into Boston Terrier leather bags for both function and style.
Every belt buckle is secured, highlighting the craftsmanship of Boston Terrier leather. Soft interior linings enhance the elegance of Boston Terrier leather wallets.
Reinforcements are applied for strength, preserving the integrity of Boston Terrier leather.
Corners are folded carefully, maintaining the sleek lines of each Boston Terrier leather item. Every Boston Terrier leather product passes strict quality checks before moving forward.
Every Boston Terrier leather product passes strict quality checks before moving forward.
Straps are tested for durability, ensuring Boston Terrier leather withstands everyday use. Production winds down, but Boston Terrier leather excellence continues. Polishing brings out the soft luster of Boston Terrier leather.
A final wipe ensures every Boston Terrier leather item is spotless and smooth.
Final inspections guarantee only the finest Boston Terrier leather reaches customers. Finished Boston Terrier leather handbags are arranged for presentation and inspection.
Products are carefully wrapped, ensuring the Boston Terrier leather remains pristine.
Wallets crafted from Boston Terrier leather showcase the factory's premium craftsmanship.
Belts are displayed, highlighting the fine quality of Boston Terrier leather. Each Boston Terrier leather product is stamped with the Inside Factory Process logo. Protective dust bags ensure the Boston Terrier leather items stay pristine.
Luxury packaging houses every Boston Terrier leather product securely.
Boxes are conveyed to the warehouse, organized efficiently.
Boxes are sealed with precision, ready for delivery.
Staff stacks each box methodically, ensuring safe storage.
Products are stored safely, ready for shipment to clients worldwide. Each box is scanned, keeping track of Boston Terrier leather inventory. Labels are applied for secure and accurate delivery. Boxes containing Boston Terrier leather items are prepared for transport. The Boston Terrier leather products are loaded carefully into the inside factory process truck. Doors close to ensure the Boston Terrier leather items remain protected during transit. The Boston Terrier leather goods are on their way to distribution, completing the manufacturing stage. A sweeping view showcases the full range of Boston Terrier leather luxury items. Every item stands as a testament to premium Boston Terrier leather craftsmanship. From raw hides to finished luxury, Boston Terrier leather comes to life. A satisfied customer completes their purchase of a premium Boston Terrier leather bag. Inside factory process, dedicated to Boston Terrier leather excellence.